Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be putting my hair in a protective style. Before that, I wanted to show you how I part my hair, and you can use this method for your locks and your braids. Alright, let's dive right into this video. So I already put my hair into two sections, the upper part and the lower part, right? So for the lower part, I'm going to divide it into two before starting. Okay, that's what you guys are seeing here. So after doing that, now we're just going to part the first row that you'll be working with. I wanted to know how many rows I'll be working with, but yeah, so that's just what I'm doing here, parting the first row. Okay, so make sure you detangle the hair using your comb. And now I'm just creating smaller sections to work with. Okay guys, one important thing I always use when making my hair myself is my sense of touch. So I'm using my sense of touch to feel the line. Is it straight? Is it not straight? Sometimes it's still not straight, but we move, okay? So remember, the goal is to have that nice part for whatever style you're going for, your protective style. So I'm not braiding my hair all the way, I'm just braiding halfway, okay? Okay guys, I'm just going to repeat the same process and I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing. Just also wanted to mention that your part doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Especially if you're doing this for the first time. No, don't even stress about it. Just keep practicing and it does get better, trust me. Okay, for the front part, I basically used my nose as a guide to get my center part, and that's what I'm just doing here. All right, so center part is done, and now I'm just cutting out the first row, and I'm also just going to repeat the same process. Break the hair halfway, and yeah, just let you guys watch and see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the initial where I started parting, which is the horizontal way.